Hey guys, how's it going? I'm out here right now in Penrose Common today. I'm out by myself. Yep, no kid here. Just figure I'd come out, do some exercise, just take a run around here. It's not a big place, and just have some fun. So we'll see what type of video we get today. I wonder if I still have in the tracks to show. I think I do. And yeah, you click on all these and you can say show on map. And it's best to do it without a glove, although it somewhat works with a glove. This is the bad part about a Garmin. And show on map, back, here, show on map, go back. And you have to do this for every single trail in the area. So if you have 100 trails, 100 different spurs and stuff. Oop, I already did that one. Oh, no, don't want to show current. Show on map. Show on map. Really? Did I get them all? Okay. So then you get them all, and then when you go back, you say map. Okay, see, now I can see the whole area, all the trails here. So that's the downfall of the Garmin GPSs. Don't know why they don't have it. So if you put in a file, you could just say, just show me that file, like whatever this file is, probably called like Penrose, and let me see all the trails within, and just say show all. Just show me the GPS file, not what's in those files. So I did an oil change, really transmission change in a 2-stroke yesterday. It was way past due. Looked pretty nasty. Forget the channel name, but I was thinking about when I got here is some guy came out here and rode, and he like said it wasn't technical enough, and you know, there's too many bushes next to the trails and all this stuff. And then when I corrected the guy, he was like, well, it's a local's place. I was like, what? It's like, yeah, that is true. I mean, you're not gonna, this isn't a destination place. I mean, you're not like coming here from, I don't know, Kansas, Texas, California, anywhere to ride Penrose. You know what I mean? So yeah, it's not a destination place. It's not Silverton or, you know, Montrose, Moab. Places that are a lot better known. Which is fine. Yeah, it is rocky. So being rocky kind of helps you practice different skills. But he's just sitting down the whole time. He's not riding fast, he's riding kind of like I am now, if not slower. And, you know, being really cautious. And says it's not a technical area. It's like, what trails did you not do? So, T6102B. Oh, it's always a fun one. Hope no one's coming down. It's a busy day. That's why I hate weekends. Oop, stall. So push back a little, momentum. Whoa. That's the problem with ATVs and side-by-sides. Although I like everything, they move boulders all around. Maybe I'm not on the trail I thought I was. Woohoo! Okay, yep, the highway's this way. Awesome! Hit that. Ooh. Hopefully I didn't flat spot the rear rim. Yep. Let's see, let's go that way. Woo! I don't have my camel bladder in. Got bottles of water. I have to take shit off. Whoa, stalled. Whoa. And trying to touch there sucked. Gotta go up this stuff. This is the trail the FLB club decided to throw his bike off the trail up there. Now you can stay on the inside. There we go. I can always walk it up, but I'd rather ride it. Oops. It wheelied and I missed my spot. Well, that's never happened. I'm just gonna back up. Yeah, you just ride that little rock right up. Woohoo! And just make the turn. I will say, this is probably where a steering stabilizer would come in handy. I think the FLB club and myself are thinking about possibly giving the Garmin action camera, I forget what it's called, the Vibe, I forget, but it's, we're thinking about giving that a try, just because everything about it seems pretty good. It even does Bluetooth audio connectivity. And if that's the case, just if I can hook an extended battery to it and have it hook up to the Signacom, and that's the way to go. That's the way to go. Trail Tech Voyager GPS coming out soon, I think in March is the release date. That looks awesome. That's some, I mean, if they've made it so it's a lot better than the Garmin Montana, they'll sell a lot of them. I want one. It looks awesome. The Garmin, the cork has always been like how things work. Like I showed at the beginning of this video, is just the craziness to like show the trails on the map. I mean, that's pure insanity what you have to go through. Woohoo! Ooh, that loose rock scared me. I was like, what? Oh, I can't wait to bring you guys a review on the Klim F5 helmet. That will be coming here soon. That should be a good review. Yeah, if you go the other way, it's pretty damn gnarly, you know? Or even this way. Whoa, that was not graceful. There's the cliff up here. Whoa, and up we go. That's what you do. Woohoo! So this is Independence Trail. I'm not going to go far in here, but we'll call this good. Whoa! Spun around. Yeah. Whoa! Almost went down into the sign. Whoa. Yeah, don't take out the Independence Trail sign. Awesome ride today. Thanks for joining me on this epic ride here at Penrose. Hopefully you found it interesting and whatnot. So please like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. And mainly please subscribe, because of YouTube's new thing, subscribers do mean something now. So thank you and take care. Bye.